Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Addies On channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. As you guys can see by the title, I want to show off this awesome mechanical keyboard I got myself. I've had this for about 4 months now. It was originally basically just an impulse purchase I made on Amazon. But I knew pretty quickly that for the price I paid, and even considering the price increase that I'm about to get into, for this keyboard, the quality, the experience you're gonna get for the price you're gonna pay is fucking unmatched. All right, I'm very confident in this recommendation despite not being a huge keyboard enthusiast. So let's go ahead, let's get into what this keyboard is, what are the advantages, the specs, all of that good shit. Let's do it. I'm on my computer, and I just have decided to make this easy. I've whipped up the Amazon URL, and yeah, we're just gonna go through this keyboard. So the company is whatever the fuck that is. This is a 75% mechanical keyboard, gasket mounted with a knob. That knob is super nice. I like being able to mute, dial up, dial down my volume. I think you can even program it to other shit. But this gasket mounting it feels so premium. I don't actually know if it like has a technical effect on the keyboard. I'm sure it does. I think it's probably just for stability and audio feedback reasons. But above all else is the pre-lubed switches and the layers of foam that they put in there. It just makes for an incredible sounding and feeling and fucking super responsive experience. So make sure you guys fucking consider this keyboard. I appreciate you guys watching. That's really all I had to say about this. If you want the keyboard, the link will be in the description. Go check it out, you know. But basically, the value here is insane. This is 56 Canadian right now, and it frequently goes on sale. Free delivery with Prime. It's an awesome deal. I will leave the Canadian, American, and international links in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't worry, I'm going to hit you guys with the sound test. But that's all for me. Take care. Thanks for watching.